Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. A515-43-R19L. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I could sit here and write all about the specs on this computer, but they are already in the description, and if you are like me, you don't really understand it anyway. So I am going to tell you what I love about this computer and what I use it for. I have previously used an HP all-in-one computer that I bought brand new a year ago and I hate that thing. It is so slow. When I first opened this item, I was just hoping that it would be a little faster. What I got instead was an amazing computer that is faster than I could have ever imagined. Now I don't use this thing for much more than Amazon reviews, schoolwork, and papers. But this is exactly what I needed. It navigated quickly between web pages, my Microsoft Word program opens instantly and doesn't take forever to load as my HP does. The picture of this monitor is just beautiful. Everything is so clear. I love that the keyboard has a backlight so I can see the keys if I need to take a look at them while I am typing, but the backlights go away after a few seconds, so if you are watching a movie, the lit-up keyboard will not bother you. This computer is so lightweight and easy to carry. I love the sleek design of it as well. This would be a great computer for anyone who just needs a basic computer for the internet or spreadsheets. I would feel at ease taking this computer with me to college or sending it off to college with my children, and I wouldn't worry if they had the ability to complete their assignments in school. I am so happy with this product. This laptop is a fantastic deal for the price. The laptop uses the same body as the $500+ Acer Aspire 5 models, which are to say it is a fantastic body that is light and compact and very portable. RAM can easily be upgraded and adding a 2.5 inches SSD allows for additional memory over the 128 GB included on the computer. The keyboard is comfortable to type on and as a bonus still includes a full numpad even if it is a bit cramped. The screen is a solid IPS screen and when you consider the price tag is amazing and beats a lot of the more expensive laptop screens I have seen. Overall a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.